Hi, my name's Michelle, and I'm a mother of 3. I have a husband, 2 adorable kids, 2 cats, and 1 dog. My daily life consists of doing a lot of floor cleaning, a lot of dust on the furniture. The problems I encounter with robot vacuums is that they constantly hit the wall, they don't clean the floors enough, and the suction power from the robot vacuum is not strong enough. And today I want to introduce to you the new L10 Pro vacuum robot. And now we're going to demonstrate to you a very dangerous test. As you can see here, the 2 laser eyes, we're going to put the machine onto the floor to see if it can detect the objects on the floor without hitting it. And if it does, well then we're going to ruin this machine and we're going to have some egg on the floor. Let's try. Another amazing function I want to introduce to you is called the Cliff Sensory feature. On the bottom of the robot, here, you will see 2 glass eyes. And if you have a double level tiered home, or even more, it won't fall off the stairs. Let me demonstrate for you on this table. So let's see how it goes.